Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at mounting some Rhinowalk pannier bags. But I've got another addition, the tank bag and the mounting bracket for it. So we'll be mounting on the fuel cap, which will be awesome. No straps running across the fuel tank, scratching your paint if that's something you're concerned of. Yes, I just like the clean look of not having straps. If there was sand and debris between the strap and the tank, scratching the paint unnecessarily, it'll pick up some damage over the years, because I'm quite a technical rider in terms of rough terrains, and so I will drop the bike, I will scratch the bike over time. I'm just trying to prolong it as long as I could. Right, let's get into it.
face. Probably got a million friends asking where you're gonna be. Got your shades on right with your latte rock. Head down, phone out. Probably happy I'm not. I'm alone in my thoughts, got nowhere to be. Everywhere I look, people living the dream. I'm a jealous, negative, pessimistic wannabe. Got no one to call, it's just myself and me. I wish I was somebody else, somebody everybody loved. I wish I was somebody else, somebody everybody loved. I hear the music through the walls, glasses blinking, bodies on. It's like they know just how to act, what they're saying when they laugh. Got your hair cut tight with your Michelob light. Friday night full of life. I'm alone, that's life. Feel the boredom creeping in. I'm a loser, never win. Wonder how I'm supposed to be. I got a problem, think it's me. I'm a lonely, dignified, sentimental kind of guy. Got so much to give, but I'm stuck in my mind. I wish I was somebody else, somebody everybody loved. I wish I was somebody else, somebody everybody loved. I wish I was somebody else, somebody everybody loved. I wish I was somebody else, somebody everybody loved. All my life I'm trying, been searching hope to find it. The more I live I'm hiding, if only I wasn't lying. All my life I'm trying, been searching hope to find it. The more I live I'm hiding, if only I wasn't lying.
Hi guys, as you could see, it was a bit complicated and I had to be a little bit creative. I added some pillows inside of these so they are a little bit easier to handle, to be able to your straps up. And the pannier racks are not perfect for these bags, but you've got more than enough mounting points and straps to get it properly secured to the bike. As you can see, they're quite firm and they wouldn't go anywhere. They might rub a little bit. I'll just have to go through all the points where the straps are around the sharper points of the brackets, just to make sure they don't chafe through as you're going on the dirt tracks or gravel roads and so. But as we took a little bit longer, I'll add the tank mounting bag in the next video. Once again, thank you for watching guys. Give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Cheers.